Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I have another cool front lip for a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper. My friends from EV Base sent me this Fang Style, at least that's what they call it, Fang Style front lip, and we're going to go ahead and install it and take a look at it. Let's get started. All right, so let's get started here. Pull this thing out. One thing about these guys, they do package things pretty good. I'll pick up all this later. Here is one side of it, right here. We got the matte black. They have different flavors that you can order, but we wanted to go with the matte black here. And by the way, since I already have one of these installed on my car currently, I'm going to install this on my buddy John's car, which he has the same one as me, the 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper. So we're going to install this one on his car today. And then we can kind of take a look at them and see which one we like best. All right, there's this one. We have a colorful instruction manual. We'll take a look at that here in a second. This is going to be the middle section of it. Okay. Pretty nice. They give us a whole bag of screws right here. And then we got some the double-sided tape. All right, so let's just take a look at this thing and see how it's going to go. I bet you it's going to go just like this. Yep, just like that. And we would probably install a couple screws right there. Screw there and a screw there. Do the same thing over here. And then we're going to have to put some adhesive tape on this, which they show us where to put it, right in here. And then we're going to go out there and install it in the car. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by screwing these things in first, right here. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is put these both together right here. I'm going to get my screw up here and get it started. Make sure it's nice and tight. Take a look at it. Yep, looks good. All right. Okay, there we go. Got them both installed. Now, I'm gonna flip it over. And we're gonna get ready to start putting on some of the adhesive tape around here. But before we do that, we will put the adhesive promoter right here. We're gonna put some of this on. If it doesn't come in your box, I highly recommend it. I've noticed that some of these companies, sometimes they forget to put these in there, so please, you can get this stuff off of Amazon, buy a big box of it, because if you're gonna install things in your cars, you're gonna need some of this stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna take some of this, put that down first before I put the tape on, and then we'll get out there and get it installed in the car. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the adhesive promoter on this area, on this part up right here, because this is the part that's going to stick up to the bottom of the car. So we're going to put a wipe of this on there, and then I'm going to save my other one, and I'm going to do underneath the car as well. I'm going to make sure I clean the bottom of the car real good, and then put this on there, so that way when the tape goes up there, hopefully it'll stick pretty good. And then we got some extra screws that we're going to go through and screw on the bottom. Probably about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably about 8 screws around the bottom just to help hold it on there. So just going in plastic, not a big deal. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pre-take off some of this tape, and then we're going to go clean underneath the car, get it all ready, put on an adhesive promoter, and then I'm going to have to use my buddy John to help hold this on one side while I'm doing the other side. I think I could probably do it by myself, but since I have somebody here, might as well use the help and make it a little bit easier trying to install it. So this one could be a two-person install. I had a different version on my car, and on my car it actually kind of slid on, so one person could probably do it. So anyways, we're going to take a look at both of them and see which one you like anyway. So there you go. All right, so to prep, we're going to clean all underneath here all the way around. I'm going to let John do it since it's his car, and he's going to get under there and he's going to start cleaning it, make sure there's no kind of waxes or grease or anything still on there underneath where it's going to stick. So he's going to clean that really well. Once we get that done, then we'll bring out the lip. Okay, and as you can see, I went ahead and got some of the tape off, or the backing off the tape, ready to go on this. So when we go out there and we put it on, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to start on one side. I'm going to get this side nice and flush with the car, get it started. Hopefully it'll stay, run over while John's holding this side for me, and then I'll put this one up. Once I get both of them up, then I'll pull off the rest of the tape from both sides here, and then we'll hold it there for a few seconds, and then we're going to put the screws through it and help hold it on there. The only last thing we got to do now is we're going to take some adhesive promoter, run out there real quick and put some of that on before we put this on, and that's it. So ready, John?
Let's go.
Let's go. Now remember, you're going to put it up there, but you're not going to let it touch.
Right, because you're doing yours first.
Yes, and make sure that tape stays down. Okay, I'm coming over here so I can see what I'm doing. I'm just holding it there for a couple minutes to see if it'll hold it good. All right, got it installed here. Now I'm just going to go through and install some screws down through here. Got it installed all the way down through there. Came out pretty good. See it all the way through there. Put in just about 6 or 7, maybe 8 screws, maybe 6 screws, can't remember. But here you go. We'll take a look at it out front and get a better view of it. So now we got it. Looking straight on here, you can see it looks pretty darn good. I mean, not seeing anything wrong about it. I like it. It adds a little bit more oomph to the front lip there, as you can see. I think it looks pretty good. Now let's compare it to the other one also from EV Base, and you can see it here on my car. Now mine, it has those 2 little lips that come out right there, and John's is a little bit more flush. So that one's mine, and that one's his. So which one do you like better? I don't know.
Whack.
Oh, whack. All right. Here's John's again, compared to mine. Mine has that sharp points on it, and this one is that one. Hey, so before I end this video, I just wanted to talk about this. And if you notice, I got to put this way up high because John is like, he's short. And
Vertically challenged.
Vertically challenged. But anyways, I was just talking about it. It's like when I first got mine for my car, I didn't really think I liked it because of the sharp points that coming out, the little teeth or whatever you want to call them right here on the front of my my car. I didn't think I liked it, but after having it on there, I think I do like it. Now, when yours came in, yours is probably what I would have ordered to begin with. That one right there is probably what I would have ordered, and then if I would have saw that one, I probably wouldn't have wanted it. But now that I've got mine on there, I think I do like mine a little bit better than yours, just for the fact that there's 2 little points stick out. So what do you think?
I think I like yours a little bit better, but I think they both look really awesome. And I like that we can put both of them together side by side so other people can make a good, educated decision on which one they would like best.
Yeah.
Just like you would say you would have went with that one.
No, I would have gone with that one to begin with.
Originally, you would have went with that one, but now that you see them both,
yeah, And the other thing is, I will say, I think mine was a little bit easier to install than yours.
Because you needed two
because
people.
Mine kind of went right over the lip. There's a whole piece that went over the lip, where yours just kind of went underneath it.
Did you have to screw yours?
I put 2 screws in mine.
Okay.
Instead of 8. Yeah.
Gotcha.
So it's a little bit different. But anyways, guys, there you go. There's our honest opinion on our choice on our front lips.
They both look great. You can't go wrong with either one.
Nope. I got his installed right there. That's the one I just got done installing. Once again, it's from EV Base. The link is down below in the description if it's something that you're interested in. It wasn't too hard to really install. This is also on my car, a different one, also from EV Base. I will put the link to that one in the description as well. And I'll also put the link to my video for that one as well too. So that way you have a choice. But they're both from EV Bases. They're both from EV Base. They're both on a 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper edition. And there you go. I mean, I like them both. I really don't know which one I like more or different. John, are you happy with yours?
Yeah, I like mine.
There you go. He likes his. All right, guys, there you go. So if you haven't done so already, give me a like on this video. Subscribe to my channel. I got more stuff coming. And most of all, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.